6 months ago, I tried pig farming and the results I got are so amazing. So, is it possible to become a millionaire through pig farming? The answer is yes. If you do these things I'm about to tell you, your chances of becoming a millionaire are going to be 99.9%. But if you don't do them, just know you will not get the results you want. So, in today's video, basically, I'm going to show you how to become a millionaire through pig farming. So this is the first thing I want you to do. Choose breeds known for fast growth, disease resistance to maximize your returns. Slow growing pigs or sick pigs kill your profits. For example, one farmer switched from cheap local pigs to large white and Duro. His pigs grew 20% faster and his income doubled in 1 year. So if you're planning to start, you need to invest in quality breeds. Okay. That's where you're going to get results. But if you invest in local breeds, you're not going to get the results you want because the local breeds will take long on the farm to mature. So good breeds only take 6 months to mature. So if your breeds are taking more than 6 months, just know there's a problem. You have to fix that. Invest in good breeds. So point number 2 is feed smart and save money. Feed can take 70% of your expenses. One client started growing maize, soya, and then added black soldier fly larvae to the feed, a cheap protein source. This cuts his feed cost by 30% and his pigs grew faster. So, as a pig farmer, you need to grow your own feed ingredients and explore other alternative protein sources to cut costs. So you need to stop buying commercial feeds. So point number 3 is sell smart and grow your business. Raising pigs is not enough. You must sell well. A farmer I worked with built strong relationships with butchers, restaurants, and started making sausage. His sales went up to 50%, boosting his profits big time. Okay, so here's the thing. You need to think of value addition, because if you add value to your product, you're going to sell at a higher price. Okay, so these are the key things I want you to do. Build trust with the buyers, create value added products. This is going to help you to increase on your earnings so that you can build your own personal brand as a pig farmer. Okay, so that the brand can speak for itself. So point number 4 is keep your pigs healthy. Diseases like African swine fever can humble you. So one of our clients started losing 20% of her pigs each year until she started cleaning daily, vaccinating regularly, and working with the vet. Now her pig deaths are below 5%, saving her thousands. So hygiene is a must, vaccination is a must. Those are key things you should be doing as a pig farmer. Routine checks, those are things you should be doing. So keep your farm clean, follow vaccination schedule to protect your pigs. Because if your pigs are healthy, your profits are going to double. But if your pigs are unhealthy, just know it's going to reduce on your potential to earn more. At the end of the day, you're going to earn less. It's because you're spending more on vaccinating, treating. So keep the farm clean. Then point number 5, reinvest to grow. So if you want to expand your farm, you have to reinvest, like on quality breeds, good feeding, good structures, so that you can scale very fast. Don't stop after making some profits. John began with just 5 pigs, reinvested 80% of his earnings, and in 4 years grew to 200 pigs, exotic pigs. Now he's having one of the best farms in the area, crossing the $1 million mark. So this is a pro tip. Always put most of your profits back to the business and expand. Okay, expand on human resource, use quality feeds, understand the market. That's the only way you can scale very fast. So if you're a pig farmer and you want my full step-by-step business plan or detailed tips, leave your email in the comment section or message me directly. I'm here to help you succeed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.